Evaluate the integral of 1 over e to the 2x plus 1 dx. So let's manipulate the given integral. I will multiply both numerator and denominator by e to the negative 2x. So that we will have on the numerator 1 times e to the negative 2x, e to the negative 2x over, on the denominator you will multiply e to the negative 2x by each term. So e to the 2x times e to the negative 2x, that's e to the 2x minus 2x, right? Which is e raised to 0 or 1. So we have 1 plus 1 times e to the negative 2x, e to the negative 2x dx. Then we apply u substitution. We let u be equal to 1 plus e to the negative 2x. Get the derivative. Derivative of u du. Derivative of 1, 0, plus the derivative of e to the negative 2x. So e to the negative 2x times, by chain rule, derivative of negative 2x negative 2 dx. So we have du is 0 plus e to the negative 2x times negative 2, or negative 2 e to the negative 2x dx. So what we need is just e to the negative 2x dx. So we eliminate the negative 2 by dividing both sides by negative 2. So therefore we have negative 1 half du equals, cancel out the negative 2, e to the negative 2x dx. Let's substitute. We have integral of e to the negative 2x dx equal to negative 1 half du, then all over 1 plus e to the negative 2x, that's u. So we can put this negative 1 half in front. So negative 1 half integral of du over u. So negative 1 half integral of du over u is ln u plus c. Then let's substitute back the u in terms of x. 1 plus e to the negative 2x. So ln of 1 plus e to the negative 2x plus c. If we transform back the e to the negative 2x into positive exponent, we'll have 1 plus 1 over e to the 2x plus c. Then combining as a single fraction, so 1 plus 1 over e to the 2x. So this one has a denominator of 1. So the LCD of 1 and e to the 2x is e to the 2x. So e to the 2x divided by 1, e to the 2x times 1, e to the 2x. Then plus e to the 2x divided by e to the 2x, 1 times 1, 1 plus c. Or you can apply the quotient rule for ln. So I have negative 1 half ln of e to the 2x plus 1 minus ln e to the 2x plus c. Distribute the negative 1 half. We'll have negative 1 half ln of e to the 2x plus 1. The negative of negative, positive 1 half ln of e to the 2x plus c. So negative 1 half ln of e to the 2x plus 1. Applying the property that we have if we have ln e to the x, that's equal to x. So we can cancel out this ln e. Therefore, we have 1 half times 2x plus c. So we have negative 1 half ln of e to the 2x plus 1. Canceling out the 2 plus x plus c. So this is the final answer.